How to update your MetaMask. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to update your MetaMask. So first thing you do is you go to MetaMask. First check your version to see if you have an old version from here, and this is my version, and you should check yours too before updating. And now if you want to update it, you just have to go to your Play Store and write MetaMask, and you will have an option in the green here. It will says update. You have just to click on it and everything will be done. And that's it for today's video guys. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching till the end.